Paste the article you copied here and boom, you have a completely new article. Now submit this article and boom, you make money. Hi there! You're looking awesome today, and an awesome person like you is destined to make money online. Today's your day because I'm going to show you step by step how you can make $5,000+ by copy and pasting from Google, and that too for free. In just 3 simple steps, you'll be making money like you've never before. But before we get into the video, welcome to Make Your Bucks, where we show you legit ways of how to make money online for free. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any opportunity to make thousands of dollars online. Step number 1. Head over to Google and type in Google News. Open this link right here, and as you can see, it will take you to Google News. As you can see, there are tons of articles on the website. If you look on the left-hand side, you'll see there are tons of topics available, such as world, your local news, business, technology, and so much more. If you want to make big money using this method, you'll have to select trending topics, such as health or technology. For this video, let's select an article from health. With the world being plagued by so many diseases, people will be consuming health-related articles night and day, and this is your big chance to make money simply by copy and pasting articles. Click on Health, and as you can see, you still have lots of topics to choose from, such as medicine, nutrition, or fitness. We all love good food, right? So let's select an article from Nutrition section. And as you can see, we have so many options to choose from. Say, let's select this one, which was uploaded just recently. Click on it, and you will have your article ready for copying. So as you can see, this is the article you will have to copy. Now at this point, you should be following along on another tab, because if you don't take action, then you won't make any money. Step 2. Copy the article like so, and head over to Spinbot.com. Now paste the article you just copied into Spinbot, right here in this big white box. Then click on this arrow right here to spin your text. This will convert the article you just copied from Google into a unique article, and thus, you will then be able to submit these articles to websites to make money. The website that I will be showing you pays $1 per word. And so, if you select articles that have over 1,000 words, you will be making $1,000+ by submitting articles that you didn't even have to write yourself. Awesome, isn't it? Also, if you scroll down to this part right here, where it says, "What is Spinbot?" you can see it says, "Spinbot is a free automatic article spinner and blah blah blah." Since Spinbot is free, you will always be able to use it to turn the articles you copy from Google News into your own unique articles, and in this way, continue to make big money. The best part? It will take you less than 20 minutes to do this. It's time for step 3 now. Now that you have your article ready, you will need to submit it to make money. I'll show you 3 websites using which you can make money by submitting these articles. The first website is Eatwell.com. As you scroll through the website, you can see that there are so many articles and so many recipes. See, there's so much money to be made by submitting your article here. So how do you submit now? To submit your article, scroll to the very bottom of the website until you see the Contact Us. That's right here. Click on it, and boom, as you can see. You just need to click on the writer's guideline to know more about the format of the submission, etc. And when you send an email, you can choose a simple subject line, such as article for submission, or new story, or new recipe. These should do it. After you send your email, you need to wait for a reply saying that they are ready to publish your article. And can you guess what's next? You will make money! You can also discuss your payment options with them once you receive their reply. $1,000+ for every article that you send to them if they like it. If you're liking this video so far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can learn about more ways on how to make money online. The next website where you can submit your article is Learning for Justice. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see it says, Learning for Justice provides several opportunities for writers to contribute freelance articles and magazine feature stories. As you can see right here, the topics of your articles should be about social justice and education. Don't worry, this may seem complicated, but you will get a lot of articles on these topics from Google News. Comment "All Hail Google" if you think that Google is a lifesaver. If you scroll down to short articles, you will see that if your article has 1,000 words, it will be considered a short article. And if they like your article and publish it, you will get $500 for the article, as it says right here on the website. And right here, they give you the email address where you have to send the article. If you scroll down a little further to featured stories, these articles are around 1,200 to 1,800 words, and if they publish your article, they will pay you $1.50 per word. Just do the math. With only a single article, you can earn $2,700 if you write an article which has 1,800 words. And again, they give you the email address which you need to use to send the email containing your article. There are 2 more categories on the website, but these don't pay as well as the ones I just mentioned do. So it will be better for you to focus on these 2 categories only. Now our final website for today is Longreads. To know more about their submissions, go to the very bottom of the website and click on Submissions right here. You can now read about how submissions work for this website and then submit your article. Generally, they pay around $500 for an article. This one is less money compared to the previous 2 websites, but it's still worth it. To make the most money, you can submit articles to all 3 websites, and if they like the article, prepare to get paid. And that's it for today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any new videos on how to make money online. Don't forget to take action. And until next time, take care.